Good morning, students. Today we are going to perform our next experiment, and the aim of this experiment is to find the focal length of a convex lens. To find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting graphs between u and v, or between 1 upon u and 1 upon v. Clear? You know that u is not, but it is the distance between your optical center to object, and v is the distance between your optical center of lens to image. Clear? Here the requirements are: first is an optical bench, 3 uprights, a convex lens, a convex lens holder, 2 optical needles, and a half meter scale. And formula used is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, where u is equal to distance of the object from the optical center, v is equal to distance of the image from the optical center, and f is equal to focal length of the lens. Clear? Note, the sign of the u is to be taken negative as per the sign convention. This one is optical bench, 3 uprights, two needles. This is your needle 1 and this is your needle 2. 1 convex lens. This is your convex lens. So procedure for this experiment is: first is to obtain the rough focal length of a given convex lens by focusing the image of a distant object on the wall. Twice the value of its focal length gives 2f of a given lens. So when we do the same, then its focal length is approximately your 15 centimeter. Now place the lens on the optical bench. Placed an optical needle one side of the lens, and it is placed between f and 2f. This needle behaves as an object needle. Adjust this object needle in such a way so an inverted image of this object needle we can see through the lens. Now put another needle on the other side of the lens in such a way the image of the object needle coincide with this needle. So student, here you are able to see that an inverted image coincide with your needle. Now note down the distance between lens and object needle with the help of a meter scale, and also the distance between your lens and image needle with the help of this meter scale. Thank you.